How to recover old WhatsApp messages. So first let's head to WhatsApp. Now from here you have to go to settings. Now you have to go to chats, then go to chat backup. Under Google Drive setting you can see backup to Google Drive. You have to click on it and make sure that you switch it to daily. After doing that, under last backup you can see this green box that says backup. You just have to click on it. Now just wait for all of your messages to back up. Now that the backup is done, you have to head to your phone settings. You have to scroll down and look for apps. Go to the search bar and look for WhatsApp. Now what you want to do is, under usage you can see the option of storage. You have to go there, then clear your cache first. After that is done, go ahead and clear your data. Then again let's go back and this time head to permissions. Now make sure that all of these are enabled. Once this is done, you have to head back to WhatsApp and log into your WhatsApp account again. Upon successfully logging into your WhatsApp account again, it will restore all the medias and all the messages that we previously backed up. And once that you are logged into your previous account, all your old messages will be recovered. I was able to help you out. Thank you for watching.